Hi, so today we are going to be working on reflections, and we are going to give you an example and prove that not all reflections are isometries. So first I'm going to start with the definition of reflection, and that is given a mirror line, given a mirror line, draw a new line that is perpendicular to the mirror line through the point to be reflected. The image is the point on the other side of the mirror line from the original point that is the same distance from the mirror line as the original point is to the mirror line. Okay. So today we are going to be working on the points. We're going to be working, on the reflection line over y equals 2x. So I've already drawn that on here for us. And so our points that we are going to start out with is we are going to start out with 0, 0. And then our next point is going to be 0, 5. So we'll just go up 5 right here. So then this is our line. I'm sorry, it's kind of hard to see. So now, because we are trying to find a line that is perpendicular, what we need to do is our point is 2x, so that's actually like 2 over 1. So we need to do the opposite and reciprocal of the slope in order to find a line that would be perpendicular. So because this slope is 2x or 2 over 1, our new slope is going to be y equals negative 1/2 x, because it's opposite and reciprocal. So from this point, our 0, 5 point, we need to go down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. So right, and then we'll down 1, 2. Then kind of the same, up 1, 2, up 1, 1, 2. Sorry, I'm getting a little close here. So this is going to be our perpendicular line. So now we are going to need to find the points, right? So we started at this one and we went down 1. We did our slope, down 1 over 2 right here, down 1 over 2 right here, and down 1 over 2 right here. So our points then that we are going to be using are going to be, so we have to go down the same distance, and so our point will be 0, 5, and then we had to go down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, so right here. Okay, so now this point is we go 1, 2, 3, 4, so this new distance is 4, 3. So I forgot to mention the initial distance was 5, right? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because that's what we added in Etch-a-Sketch. And then so now we want to find this distance. So because it's Etch-a-Sketch, I'm just going to start from the origin, right? Because I want to make sure I have the points correctly, and that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I went 4, and then up 3. So that then you just add those together. So my new distance equals 7. So now we know that this is just one example of why not all reflections are isometric.